Hello everyone and welcome to Fusion Forge. It's a gamified Fusion lessons or challenges that progress you to learn Fusion 360 very quickly, and we will only learn things related to CNC machines for now. In the first level, this level, you are going to install Fusion 360. Step 1. Open your browser and navigate to autodesk.com. Go to Products, Fusion, and click Download Fusion for free. On this page, do not click free trial, please. This is not what we need. We don't need a free trial of a paid version. You need this for hobbyists and non-commercial users, limited version with basic functionality. This is all we need. This course will only use basic functionality, and that's all we need. So click this link, access limited version, and then get Autodesk Fusion for personal use. Click here and Autodesk will guide you through creating an account and downloading the app. Once you download Fusion, open it and click here the question mark. Click the About and scroll through all the conditions and terms until you get to the very last word. Select this word and copy it in the video comments. Then compare it to the correct answer in the video description. This is the first challenge. Once you're done with it, move to the second video.